like most other cruise ports. The one I docked at today can accommodate 4 cruise ships, and there's another one on the island that can accommodate 1. Since it is a bigger cruise port, it is a long one, so plan for that if you're timing excursions. Once you walk down the long pier, you can enjoy the beautiful scenery, which is the mountainous views of St. Kitts. For those with mobility issues, there was a little tram that ran kind of infrequently, taking passengers to and from the end of the pier to the ships. At the very end of the pier, you can find the standard port amenities, including shops and signs for pictures. Those who are taking excursions are directed to a specific exit, and everyone else can go out to the taxi stand area. There isn't a ton to do in the immediate walkable vicinity of Basseterre, so most cruisers tend to do excursions or take a taxi to one of the many nearby beaches. If you do venture into the town, though, there is some history, including some beautiful historic churches, monuments, and parks. We did an excursion of the island so we could learn more about its rich history.